Mustang.
Kind of glowing? Yeah, he's down there. He's on there. He's down there. Hang on.
There's a fish right there. I see him right around his arm.
See if I can skip him up. Yeah, that's a long way down there, dude.
That handle extends, yeah. There you go. New Frabill net, extended handle.
We can get it through the thorn. I can't see him anymore. He's down there deep. He ain't wanting to come up this way. Wrap on. He's in thorns. I'm working on it. I'm afraid to stick this net in there. I don't want to knock him off. Alright. Hold my line. Give me that. I'm getting him. You gonna go swimming? Not this way swimming. I'm getting wet. Dude, that water is so cold. Okay. This might be a bad idea. Yeah. You got any towels in the boat?
Nope.
Alright.
I do have a rain jacket though if you get cold.
I got your feet. Can you feel anything? Yeah, I see him. I'm about to touch him.
Oh. Folks got to realize in South Texas, if it don't bite you, sting you, or poke you, it don't belong.
You got him? Tell me when to push. Yeah, I got him. Hit the button. Okay, it's free. Okay. Maybe. Might have to break that line. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Right there, boy. There he is. Got him. A little bit wet, but it was worth it. It was worth it right there. Where's our culling deals?